everybody, welcome to my first video on YouTube. Hopefully this is all going to be about, I guess, riding and stuff if I can get this thing going. So, I've already pulled off the body to it. There's the body. So the place is a mess I've been trying to work on. I got a jack up there. That one's not fully up. We need a repair on it. I need a new battery for it that goes down deep in there. I need a oil change, a new light, and a new drive shaft, which is down in here. So there's a big old drive shaft going in through there. Turns out it's got one wheel off, but let me show you what I did here. Let's zoom this bad boy back out. So I got mad whenever I done it and threw the other piece, so y'all can't see where I broke that one piece off, but I did that by hand. Which, I mean, I tried to get it out of there, it didn't work. Trying to get them bolts off. I think they're pretty good screwed on there. So, muffler's fine, engine's fine, just need some new oil. Got a brake. Foot brake, hand brake, and the front brake for this one doesn't work. I mean back brake, and that's the front brake. Got the throttle here. So on and off shop switch here. Kind of stick. It's really old, so it's an engine start and stop. That's just engine stop. I mean start. Y'all want to check the oil. If you're like wondering why I'm using my left hand and not my right hand, it's because I done broke my thumb. See, it's not swollen anymore, but can't move it. Hurts, but I think you'll be fine. Alright. I'm gonna go get that off. So, here's my tools. They're all messed up right now. Grab that wrench. Oh. See, here's a life hack. Just grab that, put it on an oil thing, and then you just gotta twist it like that. How can I set you guys up? Alright, I'll see you all in a second. Alright guys, I'm back. I just had to turn off the camera real quick so I could use both hands. On camera the oil don't look that dirty, but it is pretty bad. So, I'm gonna drain that as soon as I get this transmission disconnected. Which is gonna be a job. Might have to take it to a mechanic shop and get it done. Wouldn't that be smarter? Don't feel like paying for it though. Just have to get some new tools, some new things going. Focus. Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't focus. Sorry if the quality's not that bad. I haven't got a camera yet. I just got an iPhone. So I'm just gonna, if y'all want to see down inside it, there it is. That oil stinks, holy cow. I did have to drain the gas. It's been sitting under a tarp for like almost a year now. I bought it for $800. Seems like a ripoff for it, but it used to be nice until it got in my hands. So, I mean, this was a nice Yamaha Champ, and then got in my hands, and I figured out how to do drifting and stuff. And I done tore up the transmission key here. Let's see. Neutral light doesn't work. The front light doesn't work. Need a new battery for it. Throttle. Brake. case the gas tank is empty. See, I even did it on reverse, or I forgot I can't pronounce it. But I will put some gas in there, shake it around, kind of clean that old gas out, and redo that, and then put a little bit more gas in it. It's got 5 gallons right there. I might put that on the front. I don't know. So, yeah. Well, since we've done all that, my light switch is up there. Put my foot on here. Arm up. Boom. Just have to pull that. Okay. Alright, now it's time to go walk up all the chickens. Oh man. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. That is dominant. 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, we're supposed to have 8. Oh, there's 8. Alright, well. We got 4 of these little people. If you live, this is a rooster that's going to go up for sale. That's okay. Hey, buddy. Alright. Yeah, but he's a rooster. See if I can grab you one of the hens. Here's one of the hens. Well, they don't look that cute right now because they're like getting old, but they got feathers on their head about, I don't know how many weeks, a couple weeks, but watch her, she's mad, she's getting mad. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. We got some more on the way. Hey, relax. So, and them little turds are, they sleep in there all day. Got 1 egg. Food, water. Big red light. Chickens, that's where we keep all our food. So. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset. So. And they are. There's the little guys on. There's a fan form that's blowing some pretty cool air. I like that. It's kind of dusty. Gotta get it in there, get it clean. It is a waterproof fan, so we used to have it in this window, but I moved it because it's getting a little colder. Days. So yeah. I guess more on the 4-wheeler tomorrow. So thanks for watching. This is the beginning video. So, yeah.